Can you hear me? Okay. So this is a notice of trespass form through the I can't hear you. What?
Put it on the windshield wiper, please.
Like right now? Okay. So this is just telling you that they're trying to give you a opportunity to leave on your own. But if it like is a persistent problem for
as a person or me as a car.
So right now the issue is the car, right? So that's for you as a person. And if it becomes an issue where you can't get the vehicle out of here with you in it kind of thing, then you're subject to citation or arrest. And we're going to kind of give you...
citation?
Huh?
How much is the citation?
I don't know.
Can you find out, please?
No, I'm not...
It's not written on there?
What was that?
Is it written on there?
No, that's not a citation. That's a notice of trespass form. Okay.
If I fulfill the movement, then I get a citation.
Yeah, citation or arrest. Yeah. So I'm serving you with that on this property, and it's this property entirely that is in a compliance with. Okay. Okay. You have any questions for me, ma'am? Okay. Well, best of luck to you. Hopefully you can get this card thing figured out and be on your way. Okay. All right.
Oh no.
Weren't you trespassed last night or yesterday from here?
They put some kind of paper up there, but I don't know where it went.
Okay. Well, so it was a notice of trespass form, okay? So we can't be on the property anymore.
But this is my car,
Mm-hmm.
and it needs towing.
And these two.
Nobody...
In progress, the Chevron 3950 Truxel.
Does it turn on?
To go.
So it said yesterday?
It doesn't charge my phone.
No matter.
Call somebody to get them to pick me up.
Yeah. So it said yesterday that you were working on a tow truck to come?
I have been since I've been here, and my car stopped.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Well, I can.
Here's something to my car.
I can call a tow truck for you, but they're going to charge you. It's not going to be free.
I already have I had everything that I needed. I had my State Farm, everything.
So,
but putting it on the phone is not. It just doesn't work for me. It hasn't been working. Nobody has come to get me.
okay. Well, so we have to figure out a solution right now because your time is up here and you need to leave. So, do you want me to call you a tow truck? But they're going to charge you something like $200-$300. So that's something you would have to work out with your insurance. Who pays for that? I don't know how your policy is, but I can call a tow truck for you and they can get it out and take you wherever you want to go, or if it's close within the distance, but you can't hang out in here.
Yeah, it's right down the street on Folsom.
So did you want me to call you a tow truck?
Okay, I need a flatbed tow truck.
Cool. You want me to call you one?
Yeah, if they'll come pick me up.
All right, cool. And just so you know, it's your request, and then you're gonna have to foot the bill. The police department's not footing any bill. You understand that?
Mm-hmm. I understand that.
All right, cool.
I already had the,
Can you start flatbed?
Okay, thank you.
Yep. All right, tow truck's gonna be on its way. You might have to flag them down. We're gonna leave because we're going to another call. So if you need anything, just give us a call back. But I'll come back to see if you're
You know
gone.
if they'll be coming this way?
Yeah, they're gonna be coming this way, and then they'll turn in here. They already have your plates, so they're gonna probably drive around. But if they drive around and pass, just flag them down.
My plates?
Yeah, I gave them your plate number already. Mm-hmm. So if they drive past you, just flag them down and say that you're the one that wants to get towed.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yep. Cool. We got another call. Tow truck's already on the way. I'll swing back after the call and make sure everything's good. Yeah. Drop to a tow truck.
So someone came, but it wasn't the right kind.
So what's happening now?
So he's supposed to be sending another 30 minutes, but my clock's not working.
I can't hear you.
He said about 30 minutes time that they should be here, but my clock's not working or anything, so I don't remember what time
Right.
it was.
Let me see if I can get out there. So I found a shelter that's probably like a mile and a half away. We're gonna go there, and then if you decide you want to go to Lilo or whatever, you can go from there. So that's the only resource I have from you. That's the only one I'm gonna give you. It's either that one or we go to jail. So you get to choose.
How about if I just sit here in the car and wait for somebody to come
Nope,
get me?
we're past that. You've been here since yesterday. We're not doing
No, I'm talking about give me the phone so I can call somebody to come get me.
it. No, I'm not leaving you here, giving you no phone, and I'm not waiting for anybody. So we're going to that shelter, and then you can make a phone call there and go from there, or we're just gonna go to jail. So I'm not giving you no more options. Those are one of the
I'm
two.
still trying to figure out the jail part. What do
Well,
I
I'm
need
not
to go to
explaining
jail
myself
for?
anymore. I already explained it twice. So, jail or the shelter? Which one?
Where'd you say the shelter was?
It's like 2 miles from here. It's off of Howe. Okay, so let's start packing your stuff up so we can go to the shelter.
Here it is. It's already packed.
All right, cool. Throw it in the car and let's go.
Throw it in there?
Yep. Let's get inside. Oh, I'll open up the door for you. Put it in the back seat, third seatbelt on, and then we go to the shelter.
Well, I need help. This stuff is heavy.
Cool. All right. So I gave you more than enough time. I've been on this call. Let me double check. For an hour. So 5 minutes. If you're not ready and your stuff is not outside your car, we are going to jail. So if you would like to go to jail, stay in your car for 5 more minutes and we'll be going to jail. So at 12:27, we'll be going to jail.
This is bullshit.
Okay, so are we getting out of the
This
vehicle?
right here is straight bullshit, and I'm sick of it.
Okay, are we-
I've been through this shit so goddamn long, I'm tired
Are
of
we
it.
gonna pack?
What?
Are we gonna
It's packed already, baby. It is packed.
Okay, let's-
So you get it out.
Okay,
You fucking get it out.
I'm not getting anything out.
The caller called back saying that the client is now on the
Get out from me.
Don't you put your hand, get your goddamn hand. Get your,
on his video that
Let go.
he did
I'm not letting, god damn you.
look serious.
You ain't gonna put me, you bitch ass motherfucker. Hell no. Let me fucking go. Let me go.
$28 ticket, second unit.
Let it go.
I'm saying.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Get off.
Someone, is he driving or on foot?
This is bullshit. Let go of me. Let me go. Let me go. Oh.
Let's stand up on 3, all right? I'm gonna roll you on you to your side. Kick your knee out. And we're gonna get up, all right? I'm gonna sit you up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Sit up. I'm trying to help you
Do
up.
you see how you got me?
I'm trying to help
Do
you
you
up.
see
Sit up.
how you have?
Okay, sit on your butt.
Blue for 100 jacket. He's on foot, does not have a vehicle description.
Tuck this leg in.
Do you see my hands? They're burning. They're wet with blood. Do you see this? You see?
I do not.
You do.
Kick your leg in.
You do.
Kick your leg in.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me,
Kick your leg
please?
in.
Can you help me, please?
So you're gonna kick your leg in or not?
Can you help me, please? You can? Or you cannot? Leave me alone. Get your hands off of me. Look. Here. What are you doing?
This isn't going to jail.
What isn't going to jail?
The artist property.
Wait, no. What I want to know is what are you doing now? Are you taking things off of my body?
Yep.
Wow. This is mine. Let go. What are you doing in my pockets? That's mine.
Yeah, you're going to jail.
That's my money that's going inside that bag that they gonna put me in jail. Let go. What is your problem? You got problems.
This is done playing your game.
No, it's no done playing my game because I'm not.
I played your game for an hour and a half.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Let me go. Let me go.
So,
You know what? You're a pervert. A fucking pervert, what you are. Get the fuck out. You know what, bitch? Get your ass off of me.
would like to add more cards? Keep
You know what? Stand me up. Stand me up. Let's go fucking toe to toe, bitch.
Just don't do that.
No, you don't do it. You don't do it. Give me my stuff.
Take a seat.
Give me my stuff.
Take a seat.
Give me my stuff.
Take a seat.
Give me my stuff.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Get up for me. Get up. Stand up for me.
Have a 13. We'll check her outside area. One isn't up to.
That's dark.
What's wrong? Can you start a fire for a female 62-year-old having trouble breathing?
Yes.